Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get DoorDash promo code. Alright, so let's begin. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit Google. Search for the ePro list and then open the first search result if it matches the site you're looking for. Once the website loads, browse through the available platforms and select DoorDash from the list. After opening the DoorDash section, tap the Get button. The website will begin checking whether any promotional codes are currently available. This process may take a few moments, so wait for it to finish before moving to the next step. Now, you may be asked to complete a verification step before the promo code is revealed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the required verification tasks. Depending on the offer, these tasks may include installing an app or completing another promotional action. Once the verification is completed successfully, return to the coupon page. If the offer is still valid, the promo code should be revealed and available to copy. After that, open the DoorDash website or app, proceed to checkout, and paste the promo code into the promo code field. If the code is valid and eligible for your account, the discount will be applied to your order. And that's it. This is how you can get DoorDash promo code. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.